Hello everyone, today we are doing an old school YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I have not done one of these in so long. A little voiceover showing the application of 2 makeup tutorials in one. I used to love filming videos like this because I just love how you can watch me apply the makeup. It's so relaxing to watch. So let me know if you still like videos like this because I would love to do some more. I just feel like most people always prefer me like just yarning away and chatting away. I don't know, you guys tell me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more. So for our first look today, this is a smoky green liner, which is very on trend with my current favorite trend, like the smoky kind of liner look, except we Christmas-fied it. Is that a word? Christmas? That's clearly not a word, Shannon. Calm down. So first I am just spreading out my P.O.BOX primer all over my eyes. I decided to start with my eye makeup today. So yeah, I thought I'd show this step in its, what is it? Entirety. What is wrong with me today? I've had too much coffee. Anyways, just because it's super satisfying to see my veins disappear. So yeah, just applying that all over, kind of carving out my eyebrow as well. And then we are going to use my Native Flora and Fauna palette for this look. But if you don't have this palette, feel free to use similar colors that you do have. You want to take a kind of yellowy, kind of neutral tone through the crease. If you don't have a color like this, you could just use a brown. But I'm just putting that all the way across because we are going to do a cut crease kind of look today. So starting with that one and then just taking a bit of a darker brown, you're going to put that closer to the crease just to create a little gradient, and then we will clean it up with the primer. I like to just take a concealer brush, like a real flat brush, and then kind of stamp it on. That's just my technique. I find it works better than swiping most of the time, because if I swipe I get little like wrinkly bits from my eyelids. Like I swipe over here on the outer corner and you'll kind of see what I mean. See? So then just like kind of smoothing it out and stamping seems to work really well. Just if you struggle with that, that's a little tip I have. So just doing that, and then we are going to go in with a very light gold eyeshadow. You could even use a highlighter, guys, if you don't have a color like this. Like that would look really pretty, but just something that's going to give a bit of a shimmer and shine with a kind of golden theme to it, because I just think gold is such a Christmassy color, well, for me, and especially because here in New Zealand we have Christmas in the summertime. I just think it's the perfect summer vibe. So applying that on the lid and also on the brow bone. And then for the eyeliner, I'm using a green eyeshadow, like a khaki kind of green, but you could use any green you like, or you could even do a green glitter if you have a green glitter. That would look so cool as well, but our next look is quite glittery, so I just kept it quite simple here. And I'm just using a little winged eyeliner brush to apply this and keeping it thicker on the outer corner and then thinner on the inner, and just making it a little bit smoky, you know? So yeah, just go for it. You could also use a cream if you wanted to, but I just like the powder look for eyeliner lately. And then next up we are going to correct the under eyes. This makes such a big difference, you guys. I need to do it like daily, but I forget. But can you see that difference before and after? It's crazy. And I really should have primed before I did the color correcting, but I forgot, these things happen. So priming and then putting some concealer on top of that corrector and just making sure that outer corner of my eyeliner and eyeshadow is quite sharp. I love this look. So yeah, and then just blending it out with a sponge, and then we are going to do foundation, which also I usually do before my concealer. Everything's in a funny order today, guys. It happens. Like I say, it happens sometimes. New product sneak peek. Anyway, my skin on my chest I felt looked a little bit dull because I've got no fake tan on. So I applied this Huda Beauty highlighter all over my chest, shoulders and arms, and then also on the high points of my face. I liked the outcome. And then just popping over with some MAC Studio Fix powder just to set everything in place as always. And then I contoured and first I set under my eyes. I also use this palette to contour as well though. Doing that, and I went for quite a strong contour today, like a nice glam contour. So I'm using this face definer brush, which gives a more heavy kind of application. And then I just softened it a bit with a fan brush with my bronzer. And I really loved the way it came out. My gosh, this music is such a vibe. It's so relaxing. And then I'm using the Nabla highlighter, and I use the same highlighter except in a different shade in my next look as well. These highlighters are so nice. They make me look like a friggin' glazed donut. I love it. And they don't look too over the top. They just give you this like super, I don't even know, like shiny but not glittery. I don't know. They just look so good. They make my skin look buttery. Does that make sense? I actually kept my eyebrows quite light. I just used that brow gel and then some falsies. I'm reusing the falsies today, but they are so beautiful. I'll list them down below if you want to know what they are. Everything I'm using today is listed down below, using this new mascara, which actually goes everywhere. It's such a mess, but hey, we got there in the end without ruining all of the eye makeup. I love that. And then I'm using a glittery gold on my inner corner, and I am so happy I did this step. I just love the way that looked. And then of course, because it's Christmas, we're going with a bright red lip. I feel like this kind of red is perfect for you guys in winter as well. It's just such a beautiful color for those wintry months. If you celebrate Christmas in the snow. I'm a little bit jealous, although I do love our summery barbecue Christmases as well. But yes, it's just so stunning and glamorous. But of course, if you don't like red, switch it out for whatever you like. I feel like anything will go with this eye makeup, even a beautiful like purple berry tone. Oh, stop. Amazing. I love this look so much, and I love how it kind of incorporates the cut crease trend of this year with the smoky liner trend, glowing skin. It's just stunning. I love it. And next look, this one is a little bit more fun and creative, or you could tone it down a bit. I'll explain more soon. But I feel like this one's a really good summery Christmas look, personally. So let's go. Of course, the first step of any of my makeup looks is iced coffee. Got it? Got it. Sweet. This time I'm being more sensible. I'm priming first. I love this primer. I'll link it down below. Hopefully you can still get it. It's so freaking good, and it has sun protection in it as well, which I absolutely love. And then some of these products I'm using in this half of the video are the same as the last one. So yeah, everything once again is linked down below. Can we just appreciate how satisfying this is to watch though? I don't know what it is about like concealer and just concealing up redness, but I just love to watch it, so I included a decent chunk just for your viewing pleasure. I was gonna just like let the beautiful music play for a little while, but hey, here I am again with my annoying voice. I just had to say, that lip balm you guys just saw, every time I wear it people ask if I just got my lip fillers done. No, it's that lip gloss. It's so good. It's one of my favorites of this year. Do you guys want to see a 2020 favorites, or I don't, let me know, okay? Alright, so similar to last time, you want to take a nice warm kind of color in your crease, and I'm having an absolute mare with this brush in this part of the video, so please ignore that. It was shedding and breaking all over my eye primer, and it was real fun and enjoyable and beautiful. And then I wanted to play with my Twinkle liquid eyeshadow because I just absolutely love this stuff. It's so stunning. You could use any liquid gold product you have. There's heaps out there. But yeah, this one I just love. I applied that all over my eyelids, and then I also took a light gold eyeshadow again just on that brow bone. Just because I didn't want to use the liquid eyeshadow up there because it might have been a little bit too intense, and I wanted a little bit of variation. And then I decided to go in with my foundation next, and I just love watching how this smooths out, so please enjoy. Once again, just covering the redness, it's just so therapeutic. I love it. Once our base is on, I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring and blushing and highlighting just because, I don't know, I'm obsessed with the glow. So, you know, once again, this is like a very nice summery kind of makeup look too, and I just love the way that cream products soak into the skin and look super natural but still glamorous, and I just feel like that's the perfect vibe. And I love these products, I actually really do, especially the contour bronzy kind of stick. Once I have all of those blended out, I'm going over with my powder once again and just setting everything in place. And then, of course, one of my must-do steps personally, nude eyeliner in the waterline, and then I'm going to add more bronzer just to get that really beautiful summery glow, and just because I always douse myself in a crap ton of bronzer. It's one of my favorite makeup products to wear. And then I took a brown eyeshadow from my palette as well, and then just popped that under the eyes just to smoke out a little bit. And I also decided to intensify the crease a little bit, just because I felt like it could do with a little bit more depth, I guess. And then for my brows, I'm using this brow pot by Nabla. It matches my eyebrows almost perfectly, so it's really nice for a natural brow for me. It just helps to clean up all the gaps and everything. And then I used a darker brow gel just to add some texture and define the brow hairs. I also decided to go in with a different coloured liquid eyeshadow for my inner corner and just smoothed it out with a brush, just because, I don't know, it's Christmas, I wanted to be extra. I love liquid eyeshadows and shimmers and glitters and things for Christmas time. I swear I use them every single year, so naturally I had to do a glitter eyeliner. So this is a gold glitter eyeliner, and it's just like a plain glitter. And then I also have this other glitter which has little stars and little fine glitters and things in it, and I decided to kind of go for a euphoria kind of vibe, so I'm just applying some stars around my eyebrows. And if you don't like this, skip it. You know, I was just having fun and being creative today, so I don't know, I thought it came out real cute though. Like, I think it's really fun, but yeah, it's not for everyone, I guess. So if you don't like it, just don't do that step and just stick with glitter eyeliner if you like that look. I think that's super festive. Almost looked like I was doing my mascara in time with the music, which I enjoyed. And then for my lashes, I went with a really nice fluttery, a lightweight pair from Nakia Joy Cosmetics. These are so pretty, and I just popped them on. If you like falsies, then go for it, and if you don't, I think it looks so pretty with just mascara as well. Like, it looks really nice and fresh. Then we're going in with more highlighter, Glazed Donut Realness once again, and I'm popping that on every single high point of my face so that I just radiate glowiness. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so for this red lip, moving along, this red lip, we're doing more of a coral kind of red. I don't even know what you would call this color. I don't know. I'm starting off with a like orange lip pencil, alright? And then I'm going to take this color from MAC, which I was inspired to use when I did my MAC lipstick declutter video, which I will link down below for you guys. I loved filming that. So yeah, this is a Blaze, and it's like a pinky kind of color. And I don't know, like mixed together, it created the coolest color that I just think is so fun for like a summery Christmas red lip, even though it's not really red. It's kind of like a coral pinky red vibe. Like, what would you call this? What is this color to you? Like, to me, it's still like in the red family, but it's not really a red, is it? I don't know. And then I did take lip gloss, but because it's a light color, I didn't want to apply it directly to my lips using the applicator, so I just put some on my hand and then used my finger to dab it on, and I really love that look. I actually got so many questions on this lip color when I showed it in my Instagram stories, people asking what it was, so that is the combination. I couldn't remember off the top of my head, but yes, here it is. I love the way it came out, actually. So yeah, that is the kind of euphoria, glittery, festive look. I feel like a Christmas decoration wearing this makeup, and I love it personally. So yeah, I hope you guys like both of these looks. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, which one would you wear, and I will chat to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you endlessly, and I hope you guys have the best Christmas season, holiday, New Year's, Christmas, New Year's, etc. Bye.